Welcome to Expanding Brackets with Surds. Today we're going to have a look at three examples. So the first one, surd 3 plus surd 2 all squared, surd 3 plus 1 times surd 3 minus 1, and 3 surd 2 plus 4 times 3 surd 2 minus 4. So with surd 3 plus surd 2 all squared, we can write that as two brackets next to each other because they're both the same bracket. We put the surd 3 from the first bracket out the front of the second bracket, and then the surd 2 out the front of the second bracket. Expanding, so surd 3 times surd 3 is surd 9, surd 3 times surd 2 is surd 6, surd 2 times surd 3 is surd 6, and surd 2 times surd 2 is surd 4. Simplifying, so the square root of 9 is 3, surd 6 plus surd 6 is 2 surd 6, and the square root of 4 is 2. Collecting like terms there, 3 plus 2 is 5, and you get 5 plus 2 surd 6. Second example. You may notice that this is a difference of two squares, but let's expand it. So we put the surd 3 outside of the second bracket and the plus 1 outside of the second brackets, giving us surd 9 minus surd 3 plus surd 3 minus 1. You'll notice that the surd section eliminates. The square root of 9 is 3, and we get 3 minus 1 equals 2. So we go from having surds in our equation to just a rational number. Something to keep in mind for later. And with our final one, we put the 3 surd 2 outside the second bracket and the plus 4. So 3 surd 2 times 3 surd 2 is 9 surd 4, minus 12 surd 2 plus 12 surd 2 minus 16. Notice that the surds eliminate when we go and simplify. 9 times 2 is 18, 18 minus 16 is 2. So once again, when we multiply a difference of two squares, we eliminate the surd component and we end up with a rational number. This will become important in future. Thank you.